Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing your name after naturalization. Whether you're considering a name change during or after the naturalization process, we've got you covered with all the essential details and tips. In today's video, we will cover the process of changing your name during the naturalization process, the steps involved if you decide to change your name after becoming a citizen, as well as important considerations you should take into account before proceeding. Let's first dive into the process of changing your name during the naturalization ceremony. The ideal time to request a name change is during the judicial oath ceremony, where a judge oversees the process. The best part is that this service is typically at no additional cost, reflecting directly on your certificate of naturalization. If you decide to change your name post-naturalization, there are certain steps you should follow. First, you need to petition the state court by adhering to your state's specific procedures, which typically involves some fees and paperwork. Next, to reflect the change on your Certificate of Naturalization, you'll need to file Form N-565 with the USCIS, which includes a fee for filing this form. Now let's test your understanding with a quiz question. What is the ideal time to request a name change during the naturalization process? Your options are A. During the judicial oath ceremony. B. After receiving the Certificate of Naturalization. C. Any time during the USCIS interview. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is during the judicial oath ceremony. This is because the name change service is typically offered without additional fees and is reflected on your Certificate of Naturalization. Let's highlight some crucial points to consider when deciding to change your name during or after naturalization. Opt for a judicial oath ceremony if possible, to avoid additional fees. Note that court hearings might take longer to schedule, so plan accordingly. Also, prepare for potential fees when filing state court petitions or USCIS forms. In summary, changing your name during naturalization is usually the more straightforward and cost-effective route. On the other hand, post-naturalization name changes require you to follow state-specific procedures and file additional forms with USCIS, which may incur expenses. Be sure to plan for any fees and time associated with scheduling court hearings. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content like this. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below.